Our society is facing one of the major challenges right now is to produce more food for a growing population. And this has to be achieved in an ecological and economical sustainable way with methods which are socially acceptable. And for doing this, EcoStack actually is exploiting at best the ecosystem service provided by beneficial organisms so that they can be stacked together and provide the maximum benefits to agricultural production.
Well, pollination is critical to production of certain of the crops, especially anything with flowers requires pollination, and much of the pollination is carried out by insects. So if we don't have insects, we may start to run into problems with pollination of the crops, which means we can't grow the kinds of crops we want to grow. And so we should be concerned about even more than pollination, I think.
Natural pest regulation is a real possibility for pest management on farms. Each insect has other insects that like to eat them. So we have predators or there are parasites. So it's natural pest control and it's free for the farmer. We can find these beneficial insects all around us in the environment, and they're quite common on farms as well. We can boost these insects on the farmland. The insects need pollen and nectar as food, and so flower-rich field margins or flowers in the environment can help to sustain these insects and boost their numbers for pest control.
The multi-actor approach means that we engage and interact with different group of actors and different type of actors. This includes, for example, farmers, extension service, administrators, policymakers, students also, and researchers. And within these actors, so they can form different actor groups. Stakeholder engagement means we are at different level of engagement and exchange with them, from inform them only, consult them, or dialogue, that means direct exchange, we are in the actor group meetings, or full participation, where they design with us together innovative practices for future agriculture. So we want to valorize best all the services we have from nature, so the ecosystem services, use them in the best way to have good agricultural production, good food, and biodiversity conservation.